Alright, guys, got something a little different and a little stupid, but that's what we do here. No, no, I try to educate people. But I decided to have some fun this week, and what we're going to do is we're going to play through a game called Unknown Tapes, which apparently is not very long, but it is a dinosaur-themed horror game. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to point out inaccuracies in the dinosaurs, presumably as they try to murder me. And I think we're going to have a great time. For best experience, we recommend using headphones. Well, I already am. Yeah. Take that, game. One step ahead. That's right. Still loading. Still loading. There we go. Oh. Oh boy. The material you're about to see is the account of what happened in Sector XW4, codenamed to discourage curious people. This material is government property, and viewing it without authorization will pose serious risks to your personal safety. Furthermore, every voice, face, or data that could make a person or place recognizable has been altered for government reasons. Government reasons, okay. The young age of the person taking the video makes everything even more shocking, and he could never have imagined all the madness and horror he would witness that day. Details: recording begins approximately 5 to 7 minutes after the helicopter crash, according to estimates. Case codename Unknown Tapes. Okay. Are we gonna go, or do I have to press enter? Maybe I have to press enter. Okay. Alright, so we gotta... I guess the style of the game is you're looking through, a camera lens, and he's just recording all the situation, which is clever, interesting. Kind of like Outlast, although hopefully not like Outlast, because I don't like Outlast. It's just Jump Scare City. That was a blow. Let's see if I can still run. Yeah, we're good. We can run. Alright. Check my backpack. Inventory, which has this in it. Today is the 2nd anniversary of the passing of your dad, and I still don't even have a body to cry over. Were you very proud of your work at the ARU Research Center, and how did they treat you? Yes, I say they, because to me it wasn't an accident like they tried to make it out to be. I'm sorry. What was that? I don't like that. You told me to run, you told me to read stuff, and now things are screaming at me, and I don't appreciate it. For me, something else happened. In fact, in theory, your body was totally destroyed. Makes me think about this even more. My complaints to the police and investigators were of no use. You know how bureaucracy works, especially if the injured party is a single common individual. On the other side, there is a company that has various connections. Dad, I finally became a reporter a few months ago, solely to seek the truth of what happened to you. So tonight, using the help of a contact of mine who is a military pilot, I will try to sneak into the area of the ARU Research Center to find out the truth about you. I love you. Freshman reporter N9475 Travis Kahn. Okay. Alright, we got some weird bird sounds, which might be fairly accurate now that I think about it. Let's see if the flashlight still works properly. Well, it's on. Great, now we turned it off. Hooray! That worked. Good to know. And that's blood. So there's some more blood over here. It appears to be... This man is dead. So yeah. That's a concern. Stop the... There's not even anything touching the bars, alright? Like, these invisible dinosaurs, I don't have time for this. What I had... A dead end, that's wonderful. Okay. I feel like by the end of this, I'm going to have to censor out a lot of swearing. Let's just call it a hunch. It's something that I feel... Ah! Well, I do appreciate the dinosaurs sound like birds. That's probably a fair guess. I mean, I have repeatedly stated we don't actually know what dinosaurs sound like, with the exception of Parasaurolophus. But, you know, it's probably a fair assumption that they would have sounded quite similar to birds. So that's not bad. That's an okay idea, concept. Okay. Collect objects. I collected an audio tape. Oh, boy! I'm sure this will be full of nothing but just horror. And actually, I appreciate the fact that you need a player to hear it. Control crouch. I forget which button turns off the flashlight, but it doesn't seem to care. Hey, you got little feathers on your head. That's good. Those are pronated wrists, though. That's wrong. Seriously, which button was... Well, that's a thing that happened. Probably Deinonychus. Looks like about that size, maybe a little smaller. Pronated wrists, that's wrong, but not enough feathers. But the sound is interesting. I kind of like that. Yes, eat the, eat that carcass. Yes, do that. And ignore me. Just gonna open this door and leave the situation. Oh, well, that's nice. Open the door. So I guess this Dave guy's still alive and in his underground pub. Jesus Christ! That actually looked like a fairly accurate Spinosaurus skull area. You know, the head. It looked like the current shape that most scientists think it would have had. You know, that was for what little I was able to ascertain from this situation. That was great. Yeah, we're just gonna go carefully outside. Oh, it's a piggy. Hello, piggy. You're friendly. I like you. Officer! Officer! We need some backup into this area, officer! Follow the sidewalk. Oh, look. Someone else apparently followed the sidewalk and died horribly. Good to know. Oh, that's for the safe in the scientific station building. Oh, for God's sake. This is just gonna be running around finding stupid codes and stupid safes. I figured it was just the code for that door, which would have been much... Because the Spinosaurus is over there. I don't want to deal with that problem at all for reasons I feel I don't need to explain. Don't go into the high grass, or in this case, the frickin' corn stalks. Oh, great. Now the flashlight's going. Oh! My piggy friend, I'm sorry. They got you. Yeah, we're just gonna go to the... Ah! This door wasn't open last time we were here. Goodbye, my love. Oh, good. That's actually quite depressing.